one of the most important things about our program that I think is great is that we're able to give a lot of attention to each individual student, and we have a small student-teacher ratio, so we always get to know the students really well in the program. I also think that our program is a little bit different than some other cybersecurity programs because we do encompass kind of all of computer science as a baseline before starting to teach specific tools and procedures that are used in cybersecurity. And so I think that when students leave our program, that they can really take any career path that they want. We've had people that go into software engineering, that are doing red teaming and ethical hacking, threat analysts, and that's just to name a few different kind of careers that you can end up with. But I really think that our program is great for giving people a leg up compared to some of the other cybersecurity programs that are out there.